Comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money,
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money,
Dollar, dollar.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor. I'm here to help you pick it up. Yep, we're talking about arbitrage, talking about those crazy cryptos, talking about trading, talking about this 13-cent ARB token here. Yep, 13 cents. It's dropped a little bit, still holding right back where it was, but we're waiting for things to come out. Until we get things out, nothing's going to jump. Now, we do have McAfee Magic, which is helping, but I don't know how many people have gotten involved with it yet. It's going to start going, I'm sure, and that'll make the coin go up. And then once we get Trade Pro and we get what we want, we'll be able to get our coin going. So ourselves, because we're going to have crypto debit cards. Trade Pro will be working. We're just waiting for videos, waiting on how to use it. Next week, I'm going to try to trade McAfee Magic, so we'll see. I already got an account with Livecoin, so I'm trying to get some money out of my trading account so I can fund that and try some trades, see what happens. So other than that, we're waiting. We're still in wait mode. That's okay. My account's growing. Yep, there it is. If you want to go there, right there. Manager Ozzy has us all set up. Just click that button. We got ETH up just a tiny bit, maybe. We'll have to check that out. We got my account's $23,481. Uh-oh, there's an agent that wanted to help us. We got 27,785 tokens right here. Waiting for Trade Pro, waiting for crypto debit cards, waiting for the coin to go up to $5. Something will make that money go away, those coins go away. So we'll see what happens. Let's go to the ABOT. ABOT, we had 104 tokens. We're at 18.03. We dropped just a tiny bit. We're at 0.56 for yesterday. Everything's looking good. We are going to go to, let's see if we have any announcements. Nope, no announcements. How about, we didn't look at the coin. Let's look at the coin real quick just to see what's going on with that. Okay, make that go away. Pull this down, and there we go. So we must have been lower. Wow, we were down around 12. Whew, somebody must have been pulling profit. Now we're back up 14. We're climbing. So we're in climbing mode. We're going to go back up. So a lot of people have been taking profits. That's what I'm thinking. But it's the only thing that usually does it. Profits go down, money coming in goes up. So we need to get more money coming in. So hopefully McAfee Magic will help us and produce some ARB grabbing. So I'm not sure even how that uses the ARB yet, but we'll find out. I haven't really got into it yet. I got my account set up. Next week I will try to, I guess, fund Litecoin and see if I can trade it through that. I was hoping we can deposit on the site, but I'm not sure we can do that yet. So we'll find out. Once I put my $100 in ETH and get signed up for the platform, then we'll see what happens. So we'll find that out next week, if not this weekend. So let's go to Trade Pro. Where are you? There we are. Let her open up. We see Bitcoin's up 2.4, ETH is down 1.27. Not good. Not good. Not when we want ETH to go up, no. So we're down here at the bottom again. And that's all right. We're still there. We're consolidating, waiting to go up. Usually whatever it took to go up into here is what it's going to do coming out of here. It just hasn't done it yet. And the safest thing to do is put a pending order here, a buy, and put a take profit about up in here, and put your stop loss down below here and see what happens. Let time happen. But that's on a day chart. I don't really trade day charts, but if you wanted to, you could. Nothing wrong with it. I just don't got the patience. So let's take it down to a 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart's been dropping like a rock. Wow. That means Bitcoin's just taking over. Make it smaller even. No, just down, 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 down. Wow. Okay. What I would do is put a trend line right across here. When we get a break of it going up and a close above and a retest, I'd be buying that. So that's what I would be doing. And if not, any sell trade you want underneath that, you take it. Because we could go down to the bottom here. So you might get another sell down here. You never know. We were down there at one time. So it's not looking good for ETH. Not against the Bitcoin anyway. But let's check it out on its own terms. Let's look at ETH US dollar. Now ETH has gone up. It's had one bear candle. But we got indecision right here. Could keep going up. So see what happens. Let's take it off a day chart. Take it down to an hour. For an hour chart, we're going sideways right here. We got this cliff. And we're still hanging on to this thing. So we're looking for buys only unless we cross below this line right here. Then we're looking for sells. That's up to the chart to tell us. Right now it's looking like it wants to go up. I'd be buying that right now. Putting my stop loss right below here as close as I can get it. And as soon as we go into profit, I would take profit. Or if I get any profit, I would just take it and close the trade. Because I'm not sure how hard it's going to want to go up. So you got resistance here. And you got resistance here. So we don't know. So I would take it as a scalp only. Just drop to the tops. And that's an hour chart, so there'll be some stuff there. Let's take a look at it on 15, and maybe it'll make more sense. It's always good to jump around on the time frames. Time frames, you put your trend line right across here, we're buying. So I'd be buying this row. As soon as we get a green candle, I'd be in, trading it up back up to the top. Put your trend lines across here. Right about here is where I'd want to get out. And other than that, you trail your stop up. But you got to have a green candle. You don't have a green candle, you got nothing. Go down to a 5-minute chart. Basically, this is what we're looking at. We're looking for a break above this. If we get a green candle coming up, I'll be buying. Just remember, you might get stopped out, so put your stop right below here, because this it looks like it could be a flag. It's possible, maybe a bear flag. So I mean, if this is the pole coming in, it would have the pole coming out. But if you want to trade and make money, I'd have to find a trade. So I would be looking for a buy candle that goes above this. And if you want to be really safe, you get a buy candle that goes above that. So, but right now it could go either way, so I wouldn't trust it. I'd be real leery. Matter of fact, if you're going to take a buy, it's got to come above here and close. If it does that and you get another green candle, I would buy. Wouldn't take a chance down here. It's too much. Could be like a mini triangle. It could be a bear flag. Could be a continuation is what I'm thinking. So that's what I'd be worried about is a continuation down. So anyway, sometimes when you have too much doubt, it's best not to trade. Now this one here, I have no doubt that one's going up. So you put a trend line right across here, we're just going up, up, up. So doesn't mean it's not going to drop back down. We're hitting resistance right now. It would have to break above this and close above before I take a buy trade. Now if we come back to the floor and it gives me a green candle going up, I'm buying that. Stop's going just below right here, and we'll see what we get. But that's in the future. That's what the chart tells you. You got to trade with what you see on the chart, not what you think it's going to do. So if the chart tells you it's going to go up, it's going up. Chart's telling you it's going down, it's going down. That's how it is. Don't make up stuff that's not there. I see a lot of people do that. I see a lot of people try to outguess the market, and then they stick to that, and all they do is lose, because you cannot outguess the market. The market is Mr. Market's out of control. There's no way to outguess him. So, where was that one chart? I don't have it on here. I wanted to look at the Fibonacci, see how far down we came to it. We'll check that out later, not a problem. We're going to get a payout later today, and we'll check that out. But right now, for the Bitcoin, I'd only be looking for buys, but it has to be a close. It's closing above here, and then all set. So, and your stop loss goes right here. So this is a minimum to lose, and you got a lot to gain. So see what happens. Life's crazy. It is Friday, so who knows? Anyway, guys, have a good day. I will come back and check out the payout, and we'll try to go over that ETH trade again. Okay, bye-bye. Stay ARB strong, guys.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.